Hi, I am Krishna Prasad Gangaraju. Today I am going to explain this 12th question of 8.4 exercise in similar triangles, 10th class. Okay. ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at B. So ABC is isosceles triangle. Already you know very well. Isosceles means two sides equal. And also right angle triangle. So this triangle, ABC triangle is isosceles, and that means two sides equal, and also it is right angle triangle. Where the right angle? At B. So ABC triangle, right angle at B. Right angle at B. These two sides are equal. AB is equal to BC. Why A is equal to BC? This is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Okay. Then what? Similar triangles ACD and ABE are constructed on sides AC and AB. Similar triangles are constructed. Similar triangles ACD and ABE are constructed on sides AC and AB. On sides AC and AB, two triangles. Those two triangles are similar triangles. So that is given. Then what we have to show? Find the ratio between the areas of triangle ABE and triangle ACD. Triangle ABE area and also triangle ACD area, the ratio we have to find. So this is the question. So I will write the given data first. Given triangle ABC is isosceles triangle, right angle at B, right angle at B. So next, here, that is, which sides are equal? AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. Those two sides are equal. Similar triangles AEB and ACD constructed on sides AB and AC. Okay. So these two triangles are constructed on side AB and AC. This triangle is on AB, this triangle is on AC. So to find ratio of area of triangle ABE and this is B, ABE and area of triangle ACD. We have to find the ratios of these two areas. So మనం సమ్ చేయటం చూస్తున్నాం. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Already you know very well these two sides are equal. So instead of writing BCE, I will write AB. Instead of writing BC, I will write AB. AB square, because AB is equal to BC. That is isosceles triangle. So here AB square plus AB square, 2AB square. So AC square is equal to 2AB square. This is equation 1. So that one point is came. In second, given this triangle is similar. So given triangle AEB and triangle ACD are similar, that is triangle AEB similar to triangle ACD. Already we know very well, in similar triangles the ratio of those triangles is equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Always area is equal to square of the side. In similar triangles, the areas of triangles is equal to ratio of square of the corresponding sides. So that is I am writing here. We know in similar triangles ratios of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. That is area of triangle AEB. Here first triangle is ABE, second triangle is ACB. So area of triangle ACD is equal to corresponding sides square ratio. In AEB, AB side. So AB square by, in this ACD triangle, AC. So AC square. Okay. So instead of writing AC square, I will write 2AB square. Instead of writing AC square, I will write AC square is equal to AB square. I will write 2AB square. So in numerator, AB square is there. In denominator, instead of writing AC square, I will write 2AB square. 2AB square. This AB square, this AB square will get cancelled. So the answer is area of triangle AEB by area of triangle ACD is equal to, here numerator nothing is there, nothing means 1. In denominator 2 is there. So this is 1:2. Therefore the ratio of areas of triangle AEB and triangle ACD is 1:2. So this is the solution for this 12th question. If you like my teaching, write the comments and press like button. If you interest, then share to your friends. Okay, thank you for watching.